She turns around and she's like, I think I'm straight. And I'm like,
Oh my god.
It's like, okay, I've never been kissed like this. This is such a good kiss.
එහෙම කිව්වේ නැත්නම් මම අර MC එකේ ෆ්ලෑෂ් මොබ් එකක් එහෙම දාන්න කියනවා මේ.
What do you mean? We've had this conversation before. Of course I want to marry you. So cute.
Yeah.
Oh, look at her.
She's so attached to me, actually.
That is so. Look at all the kisses she's giving you.
Was like an older lesbian couple with like 3 children and a 20-year-old son. I was just like, oh my god.
If I grew up seeing that, I would have been so inspired and not so scared to embrace who I was. Like,
හයි මම සුකුන් මේ ලිඳනග අද එපිසෝඩ් එක ටිකක් ස්පෙෂල් අද මම හිතන්නේ මේ එපිසෝඩ් එක අපි ප්ලෑන් කරේ මේ පොඩ්කාස්ට් එක පටන් ගත්ත දවස්වල දැන් තමයි අද තමයි මේක කරන්නේ අද අපිට ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්න ගෙස්ලා දෙන්න තමයි අර්සලා ඇන්ඩ්‍රු හයි අර්සලා ඇන්ඩ්‍රු how are you
Hi.
hello, Ursula Roo.
අර්සලා රු
Work like
ඔක්කොම කලින් මම මේ කන්ග්‍රැචුලේට් කරන්න ඔය දෙන්නට මේ අර්සලා ඇන්ඩ්‍රු එන්ගේජ් වුණා දැන් මාසෙකට විතර කලින් congratulations I'm really happy about you. So මම මේකේ දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන් දෙන්නගේ engagement photo එකකුත් දාන්න මෙතන මේ පටන් ගන්නකොට. ඉතින් කොහමද ඔය දෙන්න? මේ දවස්වල මොකද වෙන්නේ?
හොඳින් ලොකු වෙනසක් නැහැ ඉතින් engage වුණා කියලා.
Fuck, man.
Because we've been together for a long time, so yeah,
Yeah.
it just it feels surreal. And also තාම කටට හුරු නෑ අර පාර්ට්නර් කියන පුරුදුලා තාම කටට හුරු නෑ fiance කියන්න.
Yeah.
It's such a mouthful. So I'm still like introducing her partner කියලා තමයි මම introduce කරන්නේ.
Fiance.
ඒක මේ කේස්ලටයි අපිටයි මේ අපි ඔක්කොම තියෙන ප්‍රශ්නයක් නේ අපි ඔක්කොම පාර්ට්නර් කියලානේ කියන්නේ ඒක මේ වෙන විදියක් නෑනේ මේ
මම හැමතිස්සම like කවුරු හරි I have a partner කියලා කිව්වම you have a partner. Tell me more. මොකද සාමාන්‍යයෙන් like I don't know හැමෝටම මේක කියන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා but සාමාන්‍යයෙන් partner කියලා කියන්නේ like I feel like queer
Yeah.
people.
right yeah
I
that's a queer
very
thing I
rarely
think,
hear
yeah.
like
No,
anyone
but I
else.
hear a lot of women say that partner. It's
Oh, okay.
more like a safe term. Also, I feel
Right.
like for me anyway,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
whole partner started because you know how Uber drivers end up like chatting you up, like kohomada arad mewada, and then I always end up saying partner. But they assume most of the drivers assume it's a husband. I don't correct them.
To be fair, they even assume I have a husband.
I don't correct them.
You
I
know
mean, it's a matter of safety for me. So the word partner was like a choice that I made so that it felt safe to use.
ඔය කියනකොට මේ උතන වෙනසක් තියෙන දැන් මම හිතන්නේ මේ ගෑනු එක්කෙනෙක් පාර්ට්නර් කිව්වම assume කරන්නේ husband හරි boyfriend හරි කියලා. නමුත් මමත් කියන පාර්ට්නර් කිව්වට confuse වෙනවා. මෙහෙ නෙමෙයි ලංකාවේ ඔය බැංකුව වලට හරි මේ ගිහිල්ලා පාර්ට්නර් කිව්වම business partner එහෙම. ඒ කියන්නේ business partner ද කියලා අහනවා.
Business
So I have to say no life partner. එහෙම එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ. එහෙම එකක් තියෙනවා.
No
Yeah,
life
so
partner.
yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Life partner.
I
Yeah,
mean,
එහෙම එකක්
I
තියෙනවා.
think that happened to us though.
Did it?
Yes, when we tried to make our joint account.
Yeah.
They
Mm.
asked us
they
why.
did. Oh,
And we
yeah,
were just
they
like,
did.
we
Why,
literally said,
yeah.
because we're together. And they were like, oh, okay. And then they just gave us the account. Like, I genuinely don't understand what the alternative is. What are they going to say no? Like,
Yeah.
you
So,
can have, right? A joint account? Like, I mean,
that's the thing.
Yeah.
So we were able to create a joint account. Like Surang and I were able to create a joint account. They did ask questions මොකටද ඇයි අනම්මනම් එහෙම අහලා කොහමරි හැදුවා. නමුත් මගෙන් අහනවානේ මේ social media වලින් අහනවානේ මේ මෙහෙට එන්න partners විදිහට එන්න කොහමද මොනවද පෙන්නන්න ඕනේ අරම. ඉතින් මං ඒගොල්ලන්ට කිව්වම මේ joint account එකක් තියෙන එක හොඳයි කියලා. මං දෙපාරක් විතර අහලා තියෙනවා ඒ couples වලට මේ gay couples වලට මේ joint account එකක් හදන්න ගියාට හදන්න දීලා නැති ඒ scenes තියෙනවා. බැංකුවෙන් බැංකුවට වෙනස දන්නේ නැහැ. කොහොමද එහෙම
වෙන්නේ
ප්‍රශ්නයක්
නැති.
තියෙනවද දන්නේ නැහැ. මොනවාරි
Oh,
එහෙම
that's
තියෙනවා නිකන්.
Definitely.
I mean, I'm yeah, who knows?
But නැහැ. Actually, that's worth looking into. මොකද I genuinely can't think of any reason why two
Yeah.
people, individuals,
Mhm.
whether they're partners or not, cannot have a
Yeah.
joint account.
Because don't
Yeah.
like a parent and a child usually sometimes have joint accounts.
But ඒ කියන්න පුළුවන් නෑ අම්මා.
yeah, but I
Relate-
don't think you need to disclose a relationship in that situation.
I think like they have to
Field
understand
එකක්
why
තියෙනවා.
you establish why you would want to have a joint account, but
Yeah.
they can't. Like, what if we didn't say we were partners? We're just friends who want to like
Right.
save money together. එතකොට කමන්නේ. මාර
ඒක
වැඩේ
තමයි.
මෙයාගේ.
මට ඒ කියන්නේ මං හිතන්නේ ඔය බැංකුවල පොලිසි ලෙවල් එකේ එහෙම restriction එකක් නැහැ. මං
Yeah,
හිතන්නේ
restriction
මේක
is
දීලා
නැහැ. It's discrimination.
ඩිස්ක්‍රිමිනේෂන් ඒ කියන්නේ මේ සමහර විට පොඩි ඔතොරිටි එකක් දීලා ඇති ඒ account එක ඕපන් කරන එක්කෙනාට ඩිසිෂන් එකක් ගන්න මේ account එක ඕපන් කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා එයා හිතන මොනවා හරි විදියකට. මම එහෙම ඒක තමයි මම හිතන්නේ පාවිච්චි කරන්න නැත්තේ මේ සමහර විට මේ
Yeah.
And we don't know what kind of situations they might have faced as a bank. You know.
Yeah.
So it must be
Yeah,
past experiences that's giving them like, be cautious or ask questions
Mhm.
or, you
Mhm.
make the decision. Maybe
Yeah,
I mean there's always
But why?
two sides to a story. I mean, you don't know, but you don't know. It's unfair to say no to someone when someone wants to do something like that.
No, but like, why? They can do their diligence. They can do their due diligence, right?
Yeah.
And
ඔතන
like,
ප්‍රාමේ.
if they're legitimate people, like, and they're citizens of the country and stuff like that, there's no reason.
That's true. It's a very subjective, personal thing. I think. I don't think it's a
Oh.
bank thing.
It's not a
Yeah,
bank
yeah.
thing. There's no
It's not a
reason
bank
because
thing.
there are so many people who aren't couples who
Mhm.
are like they said business partners.
Oh, you
or
remember
whatever.
this one time when we tried to rent a place with
Mhm.
with another gay couple,
Yeah.
and
the other thing.
the lady who was renting the place, she asked, "What's the relationship that the four of us have?" Right? So we just said that we are friends,
Mhm.
and she did not want to give us the place.
Yeah, she wanted to meet our parents, and we were like adults. And I literally asked her, and I was like, "Why do you want to meet my parents? I'm the one paying you the rent."
And then the reasoning she gave, because we are unmarried, all four of us. Because
she
she
thought that you were gonna have
assumed
like a
that,
foursome or something.
one gay and one lesbian, they were that not that we were couples and the gays were couples.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are all against
They thought
so
they were
against sex. I don't know
boyfriends.
why.
Yeah, they thought we were
And we
boyfriends.
all wanted to live together.
Yeah.
And the goat forsaken, whatever that is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it didn't
I
work
don't
out. Yeah, it didn't work out. It was tough
Yeah.
finding a place like that.
Yeah, but then we ended up with like the nicest land or whatever. He was the best. He was really sad to see us go also. And he was super chill.
I think
That's
we've like strayed away from the
Yeah, true.
question.
We've strayed away
So
from
the
it.
engagement.
Oh yes, engagement. Yes.
Sorry. My track.
It's okay.
Yeah.
How would I-
Don't worry about it. We are track
Yeah, yeah.
පන්නහම track එකට ගන්නවා. So
That's good.
yeah.
So
ඒකේ
that's the
අනිත්
first
පැත්ත
question.
වෙනස් වෙනවා. So it's
කවුද
like-
track එකට ගන්නෙ?
ඒක දෙන්නම
You know
වෙනවා.
those
මෙයාට
questions.
track පයින්නකොට මං ගන්නවා, මට track පයින්නකොට එයා ගන්නවා. So
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
it happens.
Yeah,
It
that's
happens.
good.
It's like it's there. It's always been there in our relationship. Yeah.
That's something that I actually observe. I'll talk about it later. Also, something that I observed between you two. Like, yeah, let's talk about it later. Yeah.
You too.
So, yeah, let's talk about the engagement. Yeah, tell me about
So
that.
apparently this one had been planning for it since last year.
Okay.
And I had no
Oh,
idea.
Yeah.
So
Oh, that's nice. So
Yeah.
you didn't
That-
know the whole. It
I
was
didn't
an
know.
actual
I didn't know.
surprise. Okay.
Oh yeah, I had
Nice, nice.
no idea. I had no idea.
Wow.
And she had gotten together with my mother to
Okay.
design the ring. And
Yeah.
Ammi visited us last year around June. Yeah, June, July. And
Mhm.
she had gotten her to bring the ring also. She designed it with Ammi, and Ammi had brought
Wow.
it to the UK when she visited us
Yeah, yeah.
last year, June. And she's had it. I don't know how she'd been hiding it because I am the cleaner in the house. Okay, I am the one who cleans.
I was gonna say that I can't hide anything in this house
She
because
takes care
Suranga
of the
cleans and
kitchen.
finds.
See, for me, obviously, you wouldn't hide a ring in the kitchen, right? She's the kitchen cleaner person. I am the everywhere else cleanup. So I do not know
Right.
how she had kept this hidden from me.
Yeah.
And at one point, there was this time during Ammi visited that she told me not to open her wardrobe. And I was like, what do you mean? That I actually thought that she was going to
Ah.
propose. So I was like
Okay. Okay.
really nervous that Ammi was here and like she's
Yeah.
gonna
Yeah.
like propose. Because one thing, the assignment I gave us was whatever you do to propose, just don't make it a big deal. Because I am like, I don't know, I get very shy
Mhm.
about like really big proposals and things like that. I'm like, do not to do that. Like, try
Mhm.
your best to make it as intimate as possible.
මෙයා එහෙම
Mhm.
කිව්වේ නැත්නම් මම අර MC එකේ ෆ්ලෑෂ් මොබ් එකක් එහෙම දාන්න කියනවා මේ. I'm joking.
That's nice.
So we, time to time, we go to London just to hang out
Mhm.
with
Mhm.
friends who are there.
Okay.
So this was just like a time that we went to London just to hang out.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
there was this friend who we met once and we wanted to meet. She's a friend of a friend, and these
Mhm.
are she's Indian and she's been living in the UK. So we thought that okay, I thought that, not we.
Mhm.
I mean,
Right.
this is the plan that she gave me. She's like, okay, we are
Mhm.
going to London. We are going to meet with this friend. Her name is Pranjal, and
Okay.
she's going to take us around London because she's lived there, she knows places. And I was like, fun
Mhm.
day, okay, let's just do that. And
Right.
she's always wanting to like travel around London, so I'm like, okay,
Okay.
let's do it.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Keep talking. Sorry.
then
What's it?
she took us to Trafalgar Square, was it? And then we were just like looking around, and this one says, okay, there's this really cool place. I know you would
Okay.
really like this place.
Mhm.
Let's go there. And I was like,
Right.
what?
Okay.
What is this really cool place?
So let me also set the scene a bit. මොකද මේ ටික මගේ
Yes,
this
this
was
is
my
Yeah.
හොඳ
Copyright.
කියනවා. So basically, um, like 6 months after I joined joined my like current workplace, this person called Sanjana joined, right? And she's Indian.
Mhm. Mhm.
She joined our team,
Mhm.
and I don't know why we hit it off really well, right?
Okay.
And
Okay.
to be fair, I think she like not that I think I know she was a very integral part in the planning of this.
Uh-huh.
She is the person like who helped me pick the location, and it is her husband's college mate who we
Right.
met at her husband's birthday party. Okay,
Okay.
one night,
Okay.
literally one night, and we that, like this Pranjal, we completely hit it off, and
Uh-huh.
Pranjal likes to take pictures, right? Like has like a
Uh-huh.
camera and everything, and that's like
Okay.
her passion, right? So Sanjna helped me pick the place, which is this lovely
Mhm.
place called Hampstead Heath.
Okay.
And I asked Pranjal, I was just like, hey Pranjal, like I would you mind? And like, if you have time,
Right.
would you mind like helping me take a couple of pictures? And she was like, yes, of course. And like no, like it was so cool. Like there was
Uh-huh.
no hesitation, right? Like 100% yes on the spot, right?
Yeah.
And anyway, I took Rue to London, and we decided to meet Pranjal. And Pranjal, like it was so casual, like she wouldn't have
Yeah.
figured it out at all, right?
I had no
So
idea.
because she knew Pranjal liked to take pictures, Pranjal bringing her camera on that date wasn't something random. Like
Mhm. Mhm.
she and Pranjal was like, oh, I like to take pictures and stuff like that. So then we walked around
Yeah. Yeah.
Trafalgar Square a bit.
Yeah, put acting බාරකුත් දැම්මා.
Yeah.
ලස්සනට.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
Right?
Okay.
And it was just like the three of us were just going around like
Yeah.
London, right?
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
then I told her, oh, there's this really nice place. Let's go check it out. So then we went for a walk, and
Mhm.
we came to the location. And now you can skip over.
So we came to the location, and I
Mhm.
was mesmerized by it. I still have no idea. Still have
Right.
no idea this is going to happen. I'm just thinking,
Yeah.
it's going to be a day in London where we're going to just walk
Right.
around, look at places.
Yeah.
And she said that this was a surprise. I thought that, because of the place looked like a place out of, I don't know, out of a novel. It's called a pergola. a pergola. I didn't know what even that was. So I was like Googling like at the location, what is a pergola? To see that it's a open air greenhouse.
Oh, open air greenhouse.
Yeah, so it's like, you know how greenhouses are all covered up, right? A
Yeah,
pergola
yeah.
is a greenhouse where, you know, like everything's growing and there's no roof. You know, that's just like, you know, silabara kotang
Oh.
wage. It's like, it's really cool. It's like a whole structure, but it's open. And there's like wines going
Wow.
around. It was like out of this world. It was really, really cool. Even when on the day we went there, there were like people who'd come with like outfits and stuff, like taking model pictures.
Models.
Like it was like
Oh,
it was
models.
a spot like
Modelers.
that. Very, yeah, it was very
Modelers.
picturesque.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, yeah.
it looked like honestly, it looked like a actually it looked like a little like out of Bridgerton. It was so nice.
Oh.
And I was like mesmerized by the place. I was like looking around, oh my
It sounds
God.
very British also, right? Whatever you
Yes.
Yeah, it was.
like.
It
Yeah,
was.
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
And it wasn't crowded. There was like barely any people there. And then Pranjal just like, you know, very casually suggests, here, guys, I'll take a picture of you. Like, it's really nice. I was
Mhm.
like, yeah, that's really cool. Can you do that? And it's such a cool thing because usually when we both go to places, she's always taking pictures of me. And we never get to
Mhm.
take pictures of the both of us together. So
Right.
I was
Yeah.
like, oh, okay, very nice opportunity. Still, I have no clue, no idea.
Right.
And the usual way we take pictures is she would stand behind me and
Right.
hug me from behind, and I'll stand in
Okay.
front. So she
Okay.
hugged me, and then we are posing for a picture. She took a picture, and then she's
Uh-huh.
whispering to my ear. She's like, "Would you want to marry me?" And I just turn around and I'm like, "What do you mean? We've had this conversation before. Of course I want to marry you." And
Yeah.
she just like gets down on one knee and like, you know, pops out this like ring, and I'm like, what is happening? And I actually it was something I don't know. I've never imagined it, but you know, I always wanted it to happen.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I just couldn't even say yes. I started crying.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw the picture. The picture looks so nice, the background and everything, and
I
you're like
Thank you,
know,
Pranjal.
yeah.
on
Thank
your
you,
knees.
Pranjal, honestly. And Sanjana.
Yeah, and Sanjana.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's
cool.
really
So it
nice.
was very, very unexpected. I was really, really
Yeah,
surprised. I had no
yeah.
idea. And later when I got to know that she'd gone together with Ammi to do
Yeah. Kudos for
things.
that, actually, keeping it a
I know it
secret
was
all
so
this time.
lovely, you know.
So
Like,
sweet.
Yeah.
Really sweet.
yeah, it was so nice to learn that. But I
Nice.
was totally surprised. It was
Yeah.
she understood the assignment. She understood the assignment. It was
Yeah,
intimate
yeah.
and exactly
Yeah,
the way
yeah,
I liked
yeah.
it. And then
Yeah.
Pranjal took pictures and started crying with us. So
Yeah,
all the three of us were
all the
just
three of
crying.
us were just literally crying at one point,
Oh.
like, Padagana. And then,
Congratulations.
Yeah.
and he was sitting in the models like, oh, congratulations.
Oh, no, that's nice.
And I was like, I probably look like I am like really distraught being engaged because I'm crying.
Yeah. Yeah,
And
that's so
just
nice.
randomly, like throughout the rest of the day, she would just start crying. Like it was very,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
very emotional.
Yeah, it was
So
very
cool.
emotional.
Yeah.
So how that kind of connects with the weekend we
Yeah.
had
Oh,
is
yes. Yes.
so the whole thing happens. I'm like really surprised and I'm like crying and crying. And the first thing we do is we call family, and then we
Mhm.
on a call and then we talk to them, and then we are like, okay, so I just don't want to leave this place now because it's like
Right. Yeah,
so
yeah,
pretty,
yeah.
and this just happened, and I'm like, what the
Yeah.
hell happened? I mean, like I came out of the house just to have a, you know, a day
Yeah,
walking around in London, and this happened.
yeah, yeah.
And on top of that, the friend who took pictures, she just like cried with us, congratulated us, and then she just like, guys, do you think I can leave now? And we were like, what do you mean have a drink or like something with us? And then she's like, no, I'm moving house today, and I
Yeah,
need
I
to
mean,
go.
she came in the middle of moving house and specifically
Ah.
didn't tell me that she was moving house on the day because she
Yeah.
knew I'd ask her not to come, which is
Yeah, yeah.
like,
That's
Which
so
is very
nice.
sweet. Like it's so sweet
Yeah.
when you find friends who are not queer but is so
yeah,
accepting and
Yeah,
don't
that's the
see us any
that's a good
differently.
point.
You
Yeah,
know,
that's a good
it's so
point.
precious to have friends like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's actually so like yeah, like
Right? so sweet. Like
Yeah,
we were
not
like, what the hell? And we were so taken away. We were like, oh my god, we couldn't like treat her to anything. Like she just literally ran. Like she
yeah.
just enjoyed that moment with us, and she literally ran because she
And
was
she
moved.
waited until that whole
Yeah.
thing, like, she
Like,
didn't
I
like,
didn't know until that moment. Like, it's not like she
yeah,
Like
told
she
me
didn't
when we
rush
met.
us. She didn't rush us. She
yes,
with us for like about
yeah,
2 hours, like walking around, showing the
right,
place, acting, pretending.
yeah,
Like
I
it
know,
was really, really precious to us.
Truly.
And then
yeah.
we walk out of Hampstead Heath, and then Urs is asking, okay, I've figured out, okay, there's this place I want to take you for lunch. And I'm like, I was so happy. I was like, I'm not hungry, so maybe we can
Right,
just walk around. And
yeah,
Yeah.
we just like, like looking, taking the place in, like walked around. And then we are like, okay, fine, we need to exit this place. So we exited. And then we are
hmm
walking. We just exited the place and we are walking. And we hear someone
hmm
call out Ursula.
Yeah, man.
okay.
We were just exiting Hampstead Heath and someone's like, Ursula? And I'm like, how? Who knows me here in some random like ලංකාවේ නා නම් තේරෙනවා, right? Like
hmm
but
And this was very random
yeah,
because
this is so random.
it's
Okay.
not like London city. It wasn't the city. It was some like that pergola was like in nowhere. Like you
Yeah.
had to literally do a hike to go there. So it was so
Okay.
random to hear someone call out her name, and then we turn around, and there's these two girls. We've never seen them
Yeah.
ever in our lives. We've never met
Okay.
them. And they just like come to us and they're like, Ursula, Rwandi, and we're like, how do you know us? And then they're like, oh, we follow you on Instagram. And we're like, oh, okay.
Oh,
Right? And turns out
celebrity
like
moment.
I've been speaking to this person. I just didn't place that this was her
Right.
because I've never met her, right?
Oh.
And funnily enough, they're Sri Lankan and
Uh-huh.
queer.
Wow.
So we randomly met like
That's
a Sri
very
Lankan
coincidental
yeah.
also, like, yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Because at that moment after calling family, one thing we really missed was like our queer community, like the people we could have called, I like
Yeah,
showed
yeah.
and shared. Obviously, we did that after we went home, we did that. But then it
Right.
felt like if they were there, like we would have like gone out, hung out with them, like maybe partied with them. So we kind of was
Yeah, no
missing
matter how
that
much,
family.
yeah.
Yeah.
No matter, yeah, like when you meet another like other queer people from Sri Lanka, it's a different feeling. Like you
It's a
feel
It's a
home.
different feeling. It's
There-
like
totally different
yeah,
feeling.
it's a different feeling.
And then
Yeah.
we just started talking, and I just paused, and I was like, actually, we just got engaged, and they
also-
lost their shit. They were like, oh my God, that is
Yeah.
crazy
And
that
they
we
also
would
start
meet
crying.
today. Yeah, so we made a lot of,
a lot of people cry.
yeah. I mean,
yeah.
I didn't expect
Oh.
that, but we did. We made a lot of
Yeah.
people cry. I mean, we cried so much.
Yeah, we did cry a lot.
Yeah.
And then we ended up meeting the Sri Lankan queers, and we are like, oh my God. And then to see that us had like talked with them on Instagram,
Yeah.
and to see that there are people who are like
Yeah.
really doing like they are like a part of a queer community here,
Like
Yeah.
like a big queer community in London,
Mhm.
who not only is like just the community, they have like their own like club and they do stuff.
Yeah.
they have their like bookshop.
Oh,
They meet
wow.
every Wednesday, and like that bookshop has been like that meeting has been going on for like 45 years,
Wow.
right?
This-
And
yeah, this queer club is like something that's been there for 45 years, and it's been like,
Wow.
um, they've been like kind of continuing it and never letting it fall, like, break away for
Right.
all these years. And this one of the girls that we met that day is the one who's, kind of taken the
Lead.
torch now from the person who's like, managed it all this time. And she's, taking the torch, and like she's beginning to like, kind of lead that
Yeah,
club
yeah,
as well.
yeah.
We were like, oh my God, so cool. And then that was such a moment for us because we felt like, oh, that was such a blessing. We just had like a little part of the Sri Lankan community there with us.
Mhm.
yeah.
And then
Yeah.
it was their event that we went to this weekend.
Yeah. So there was a
Nice.
fundraiser this weekend for the like victims of Cyclone Ditwa in Sri Lanka.
Oh, okay.
And
Yeah. So this is
like
like a Sri Lankan club, like
Yeah, it
Sri
was
Lanka?
a so no, so
Oh.
the queer thing is not exclusively Sri Lankan, but
Yeah.
there are
Okay,
like
okay.
people
Lot of
from many different countries. You like the
right.
prerequisite is that you have to be queer, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
But like these same people
Right.
were in like the people that we met actually on the day are involved in a like a charity, a registered charity in the UK. So like so they're heavily involved in this Sri Lankan charity, and they had a fundraiser for the victims of Cyclone Ditwa, and we just bought tickets, right? Like because it felt like and really cool event to support, and like it was there were gonna be quite a lot of Sri Lankans, and it was at this Sri Lankan restaurant, and there was gonna be like kottu and rolls, and we were just like, yes,
Wow.
100%,
So
we're there, no problem. ඒකට ගියා.
right.
And like even like and the strangest thing happened, right? Like so we prepared, and then I said that I'd like to support in any way, and they were just like, oh, and I was like, if you guys need posters and stuff like that made, I can make that for you. And they were like, oh my God, really? And then like I made a poster for the event as well, like a couple of them. And on the day of the event, right, I get a call from like my friend saying that they're going to sing at the event, and the person who was singing with them was ill and couldn't make it.
Wow.
And they're like, oh,
Okay.
can you sing with me like a little bit? I was like, oh, okay. So I ended up singing at the event also,
Okay.
right? With a
Nice.
bunch of like, like Sri Lankan aunties and uncles and like people.
Oh,
And there were
kind of miss
so
that
many
vibe.
queer people at that event.
Right.
Like all of their queer friends had come as well. So I got like it was mind blowing, right? Because I'm seeing like really old Sri Lankan aunties and uncles, and like like moms and dads, and then these bunch of queer people who like did not like curate themselves to fit that situation. They were just like
Yeah.
oh, hi baby, look at
Yes.
they,
She's taking up my space. Not the
they were
ass.
absolutely
Yeah.
they were absolutely like themselves, and no one cared. It was
Yeah.
so cool, Supun. Like
I
it
just
was
want to
genuinely.
like travel to UK just to go to one of those events. Like it sounds
Oh,
so
you should
nice because it's
definitely.
something that I miss here actually. Like I do have Sri Lankan friends, like a few, but I don't have like a club like that I can go
You're
to.
so
Like the last queer social thing. I mean, I do go to parties and everything, but it's a different thing, right? But then again, the last social thing that I went to was I joined this choir. It's a
oh,
gay choir. Then I found out it's nothing that I can relate to. It's mostly like gospel music. I don't like the music. It's so white. It's very Eurocentric, and the person who's conducting it, and he's more concerned about how to pronounce December, so we should say December, not December. I'm like, this is not the place for me. I mean, I can't relate to it. So I'm so like, when you describe that thing, like I want to be there. Like it's really nice.
like
Something that I
it
miss
was
actually.
so weird. Like my feeling was when I walked in, the first thing I noticed was because as queers, you get very conscious about that. I don't know, for me as a
Right.
queer, like I get really conscious around aunties and uncles,
Right.
especially Sri Lankan aunties and uncles. Like,
Right. Right.
I
Right.
get
Yeah.
really conscious, and I get a little awkward. So when I came in, I think I don't even know if I kissed you. Like I was like, I sat next to her and I said,
Yeah.
hi.
You
Like,
go into a different mode, right? Like
a
okay, like
different mode. And
yeah.
I just, the
Not
first
the
thing I told her was like, oh my God, there's aunties and uncles here. And yeah, because that was the first thing that went in
yeah.
my
I
head.
know.
But the vibe was totally different. Like they weren't
Yeah.
staring. They were
Right.
in their own world having their fun. They didn't give a damn that there were queer couples just all over
Right.
each other, kissing and hugging and dancing and being each
Right.
other's space. It was so like not a big deal to
Yeah,
them. Like
man.
it was such a weird
Yeah.
world.
That's so nice.
Honestly, to see these
Yeah.
Sri Lankan, they
Like
were old aunties and uncles, and they were just totally
right.
fine with it.
Yeah, they just
It
didn't.
sounds like Sri Lanka that we would want to be. right? That's the
Truly. No,
right.
truly.
Yeah,
They didn't care. Like they didn't even think like
yeah.
they
It
got a
wasn't
magic
just about
pocket
like
balloon.
avoiding. It wasn't like a
Uh,
care thing. There was like, I don't know, like after being for about 20-30 minutes in that space, I could
right.
feel the love there. Like it was so
Yeah,
full of
yeah.
love and acceptance, that space. It was so nice. It
That's
felt so
yeah.
nice.
Truly,
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
it
That's
was it
that's
was
something
really.
that you don't find in Sri Lanka. I mean, usually, like when you go to
Yeah,
these
it's
settings
very
with
rare.
You'd only
aunties and
find that
uncles.
amongst your queer community. Actually, I feel like in
Also,
Sri Lanka because
yeah, very
yeah,
judgmental,
Yeah.
yeah.
very anxious
Always
to
be
for
yourself.
good reasons. I mean,
No, of
not
course.
good reasons, but there are reasons for that. I mean, yeah, but so
Yeah, Dad,
but
why?
yeah,
Why are you giving these two strangers like, attention? Give me
Yeah,
attention, Dad.
yeah.
I know.
Honestly. Oh no,
Cute.
what's your name?
Yeah, she needs so much attention,
What's your
and she
name? You
Manike.
cutie.
Adorable, Ane.
So cute.
Yeah,
Oh, look at
she's so
her.
attached to me actually.
Ane.
That is so. Look at all the kisses she's giving you.
I know.
Oh.
Oh,
Adorable.
yeah,
So cute.
Yeah.
yeah.
But yeah, we, I don't know, like, but would you believe, Subun, that it took us, like, we've been here since Jan 2023, right?
Mhm, mhm.
And it took us until 2026 Jan, like literally
Oh yeah,
2026 Jan to find these people,
right. Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So for 3 years, like,
So
that was,
that that makes me think there could be like clubs like this in here also. Like maybe I didn't find them
Yeah,
yet
no,
exactly.
definitely,
Yeah.
because
like,
yeah,
Yeah. I'm
yeah.
pretty sure. I'm pretty sure that
Yeah,
they
because
have.
that choir thing was like it was another trauma for me, low key, because I was like,
yeah, okay.
why did I even join this? One thing was I like singing, so I thought maybe yeah I can go and sing. Maybe I can
That's
do some
so
voice training or something. No, that's the opposite. Like
that's
it's
so
this
funny.
whole huge bunch of white
December.
gay people, and
December.
yeah.
December.
It's December. Like that was the decision point. Like, okay, no, I'm not gonna do this. Yeah.
I get what you're saying. Like I've gone for a couple of queer events here,
Mhm.
and like I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I kind of felt a little out of place because
Mm.
I barely saw
I always
like
feel that.
anyone like us there.
Yeah. No.
Like there were like I feel like we were like there was this one event where Ru and I were the only
Mm-hmm.
like Asian
Brown
South
queers.
brown
Mm-hmm.
South Asian
Yeah.
people there,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? And they were talking like there was this book, okay, and they were talking about how there was such a thing as a lesbian hotline, you know?
Oh yeah, there was a book launch that
Oh.
we went to. That was at a queer bookstore,
Yeah.
Bisa tagline gitu.
bookstore/library/cafe, in Leeds, and then we went there.
And all of the stories were like super inspiring and it was really nice, right?
Mm.
But
But there's
I don't
something
know, man,
missing.
like
Like you can
when
connect.
yeah,
Yeah.
like and while I was listening to that, I just couldn't help thinking like we never had anything like that,
Yeah,
you
it's a
know? And
different
like
experience.
or like
The
or
thing
like
is, the thing is, those stories and their stories, their experiences, it takes up the whole space. There's no space for our stories in all these spaces. Like, so we don't have either we don't speak up or we don't have a space in that whole whatever the spaces that we go to because they take up all the space and they dominate the spaces. So yeah, you just
Yeah,
go
that's what
there.
I feel as well. Also,
Yeah. So
another thing that
one.
yeah, sorry.
Yeah, I was gonna say like I've seen two different people. Like yeah, there are like all these very Eurocentric like white people and other maybe people who actually adhere to that, and there are brown people, and some of these brown people they try so hard to like fit in. They
Yeah.
they just they just forget about their identities. They forget about who they are. They try so hard to fit in, do all these same stuff to like so they can blend in and or accepted or whatever.
Yeah, I
So
can't do that.
both
Like,
makes me like very anxious. Yeah,
Yeah, that's true. They both make you
yeah,
anxious, honestly,
yeah,
because
both
you
make
feel
me
so out of
anxious.
yeah,
place, don't you?
out of place.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
I'm way too like Sri Lankan to kind of not like to be in a
yeah,
space like that. I don't know, like
y-
I like during the weekend if I have like literally I have gone to like gone in the, like in I'm in the tube listening to Ranindu, right? Like
yeah, yeah. The worst thing is I had a phase like I had that phase also like trying to do those stuff, trying to fit in. So I hate for myself for that also. Like when you look back, I'm like, what the fuck I was doing? It's so hard on you. It's very stressful also. Like it
yeah.
makes
And
you
it's such an automatic thing. You don't think
think.
about it, but you
Yeah,
just want to fit in because you just feel like if I don't, then I'm going to
yeah,
just
Be alone.
be alone, or
yeah,
either
yeah.
I'm going to be like always ostracized or
Yeah.
feel ostracized, at least. That's why you kind of want to, I don't know, that's what the experience for me was like, the whole
Yeah, yeah,
fitting in experience.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
totally
can't.
understand what you're saying. Yeah, totally.
Yeah, cool.
But yeah, we met.
So back to
Oh my God.
yeah,
And yeah, after we proposed, right?
right,
Like after our engagement, like we had queer people kind of message us, other queer people who live in the UK. And then
right.
there was this like person who messaged us saying, "Oh, we're not on Instagram much, but we're on Facebook. Please, like you should add us." And I add them,
Mhm.
and would you believe, Subun? It was like an older lesbian couple with like 3 children and a 20-year-old son. I was just like, "Oh my
Wow.
God,
Yeah.
that
It
is
was
so."
so wholesome to see that. I was like, imagine if I grew up seeing that, I would have been so like, I don't know, I would have been so inspired and not so
Yeah.
scared to like, embrace who I was. Like
Mm-hmm.
that was so nice to see that
Right.
they are like thriving and living as like a family and children
Yeah.
who are
That's
like,
the other thing, right?
I love
That's the
seeing
other thing
older
that
gay
we.
people.
Mm-mm.
That's the other thing that we don't see anything other than that standard family model, right? Like we've been always like forced to think that we are something out of the place, even in our own country. Like we made to think that we're not gonna have a family. We're just gonna be single for life. Either just force ourselves to marry someone from the opposite gender and just call it a day, or just be single and miserable for the whole life, right? We were not.
Truly.
We didn't have that reference, right? That's
Compulsory
such a.
heterosexuality.
Wow, that's a good
Yeah,
compulsory.
it's a thing. Like, it's a
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
A lot of people
yeah.
believe that that is the end all and be all of life. And to be honest, even
Mm-hmm.
I did. Like, and I'm sure you did as well to some extent.
I mean, obviously, I was single when I met you. You remember
Mm.
what I said? Like, I actually was at a point where I was like, being alone is fine. It's fine.
Yeah, let's talk
I was
about
at a
how
point
you
where I
actually
was
met,
okay
how
being
you
alone.
guys met actually. Like who made okay, that was one of the questions. Okay, let's do those questions.
Yes,
The fun
let's do
questions. Okay,
it.
let's do that. Because that's the first question. Uh let me ask who made the first move?
Wow. Do you even remember, babe?
Yes, I made the first move. I I told her I liked her, and
Yes.
she got a headache.
Well, I had a good reason to get headache. Okay, she tells me this. We are both slightly tipsy. We've gone
Okay.
clubbing with
When
friends.
was this?
This was
2017.
2017. Yes,
Okay.
2017.
Nice. Nice.
We had gone out with friends. We had gone to
Okay.
what was this? Which way west?
Which way west? My God, it's not even there anymore.
Not even there anymore.
Which way is
It's like this.
It was this club in Liberty Plaza. Well, not actual,
Oh,
not
okay.
big Liberty Plaza. Liberty Plaza එකට එහා පැත්තේ තිබ්බ building එකක්. It was like pseudo Liberty
Unity
Plaza.
Yeah.
Oh no,
On
that's
the
ඒක
on
ඒක
the
දෙවෙනි
yeah.
තට්ටුවේ.
Like they went
exciting.
no first floor.
First
It
floor,
was first
sorry,
floor.
first floor.
Right.
But it was like a small club, and
It
like
was really nice,
yeah, it was
actually.
nice. Like it was
When
they
it
had like
started.
when it started.
And the manager was good.
Mhm.
Like,
Somehow we'd
yeah.
gone there, and we're
Mhm.
dancing. This was an escape for me and my younger sister to an opportunity to go out with friends because this friend group had boys also. So that's one of the reasons why my parents were okay with us going out.
Oh,
Because
okay.
one of the boys had a vehicle, and like they were like,
Family
okay, and
friends.
family friends. As long as the group is together, then fine. Like
Right. Okay.
it was fine. Yeah. So that was the
Right.
arrangement. So we had gone out now, and my
The
sister
safety
was
net.
safety
Yeah.
net,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah. Yeah.
Obviously
Yeah.
for us girls, like
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
my father is the kind of father who had like such a issue with us being awake after 9:30. So it was such a big deal to like set up this process, like we are together with these friends, them, yeah, they're family friends, obviously we are safe,
Yeah.
we'll be home. But we were there, and then this one, we are both tipsy, she just like comes close and she says that she wants to kiss me, and I got
Okay.
really stressed out and anxious. Because my sister was right there, and I'm like,
Right.
I don't know whether this time is a good time to do that.
Right.
And then, yeah, so I had to then, like, because she got a headache, I had and got
Right.
stressed, I had to go and find her a Panadol. And yeah.
Oh yeah,
Nice.
you did.
Yes.
Oh my God.
I did find and give her
It actually
Panadol.
did give me well, I could have, I think I was a little drunk as well there.
Yeah,
So,
fair. Yeah,
yeah.
fair.
But
Drunk
that
and
happened.
stressed, not good.
That happened. And then cue to a couple of months later,
Yeah,
the Pride
couple
party.
of months later, yeah, Pride party.
Yeah, was the Pride party.
Right.
And then this was in Mount Lavinia.
Yeah, Mount
At
Lavinia
the
Hotel.
end, we
That's
went with
that's
a
the
whole
venue,
bunch of
right?
friends. That's
Yeah.
always where it is.
Always.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the venue. Yeah.
And then we went, and I was in this mood that I was like, oh my God, I want to kiss her. So again, my sister was there.
She's like, finally.
Like, I grabbed her hand and I was like, you know what, just come, let's dance. And I took her to
Okay.
a different part of the whole room. And the song that was playing was
Right.
Karkejul.
Kargaichul. Have you heard this song?
No.
Have you watched the movie Kapoor and Sons? It's a Hindi movie.
No, I think probably I've seen. No, I don't think I've watched it. I think
There's
I
this,
kind of
like,
remember it.
There's this really
Yeah.
dancey kind of like song
Okay.
that was like really
Right.
upbeat song. And
Okay.
then yeah, I kissed her, and I was like, okay, so
I was so happy.
not
That
for
it
long,
finally happened.
not for a long
Yeah,
time,
yeah,
because the
yeah.
ride back home, I kind of ruined it for her.
You know what she did?
Right.
Harida. Keep in mind,
Huh.
we've been together for 9 years, but like back then.
Mhm.
So now, like, she kisses me. It's the best night of my life. I'm like super happy, like on cloud 9. And then we do
Right.
this, we do the standard thing that any Sri Lankan does, right? After going out, like dancing in the night, we find
Mhm.
pilaus, right? We go to Pilau
Oh yes.
for a
No,
kokku and Milo.
makes me hungry again. Yeah.
So, then කාරකින් හැමෝම බැස්ස. And ඒගොල්ලෝ ගියා. Then she's sitting in the front seat. I'm sitting in the back seat in the corner.
So embarrassing.
And Supun, I kid you not, Supun, right? She like, she turns around and she's like, I think I'm straight. And I'm like,
Oh my god.
I liked that kiss way too much that I could admit at that point. Okay, I was like, okay, I've never been kissed like this. This is such a good kiss. Oh my God, that was what was going in my head. So I was
Right.
kind of
You're
like,
fighting it.
yeah, I'm not
Yeah.
fighting it. I think I was more concerned about losing her as a friend, because I didn't want
Okay.
her to. I mean, like I'm not been with a woman
Ah.
before that, and I didn't
Right,
want her
right.
to be. So this all those things like running in my head,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
I'm like, I need to kind of calm this down before I hurt her
Okay.
and lose
Yeah,
her in the
yeah.
process. I didn't want. I really wanted her in my life, and I didn't know how at that point.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yeah, I was just like, she's too important to me, too precious to me. I want her in my life. I don't want her to be an experiment. That's
Right.
so unfair for
Mhm.
both of us. So I
Yeah.
just I was like, okay, need to set this right. It was the
Right.
first thing that came into my head to say, to kind of like neutralize the situation and neutralize
Right.
myself, because I am feeling
Right.
feelings that I've never felt before. And I'm like,
Right.
calm down, Ru, in my head. So,
and
yeah.
I'm
Right.
thinking, okay, like, I can't be weird about this. And I was like, well, At least you know now.
Oh my God, that's what you said. I can remember. Oh God.
I was
Oh,
crushed. Mama hondara like, yeah, at least
my
you know now. කියලා හොඳ කියලා.
And inside you were like,
Why? Why? I'm not
Well,
Mom.
either of us
Mama.
could fight it after that. So.
make again.
කියලා. So sad.
Yeah,
Ah,
that's
but
so
that clearly
funny.
didn't work out for her.
Yeah,
Didn't
yeah.
work out. Yeah, didn't work out for
Yes.
me.
Yeah.
Here we
Yeah.
are now
Okay,
after
after
all
all.
of that. Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
still straight.
You man, somebody would have to like,
That's so funny. I think I'm
somebody would have to
straight.
like kill me. Straight.
Oh my
Oh, wow.
God.
Yeah. Same.
Yeah.
Ah, so that's
Okay, next
literally
question.
Yeah.
how this started.
Yeah, it's cool. That's so funny, and it's also really like
Yeah, it was a
really
roller
nice
coaster.
also.
Yeah. Oh my
Yeah.
God, our whole relationship has been such a roller coaster.
Truly.
Yeah.
Fun though.
I'm choosing between. So I have two sets of questions:
Yeah.
generic questions and lesbian
Yes.
questions. So if you pick up one from lesbian questions. I don't know. I don't think this is a lesbian question, but no, yeah. Sorry, wrong list. Who suggested moving in first?
Yeah,
Oh.
because I was on my
It
own.
was again a situation
Mm-hmm.
that kind of occurred because she lives in Kandana. She lived in Kandana. So her parents' place were in Kandana, and she got a job in Nugegoda,
Yeah.
and she couldn't commute every day. So she wanted to
Right.
find a place for her to stay, and then she found like with two other housemates, like this 3-story house. And in the first ground floor there was this auntie and uncle, and on the first and second floor the three girls were living. And
Right.
I kind of this is wow, this is a long story. I kind of ran away and then started living with her.
Really? Oh, that's so straight. Like that's so straight, but yeah, that's so nice also. So, so I assume like your parents didn't know, right? In the beginning, you had to like come out to
No.
them after.
No.
Yeah, yeah.
I was
How did that go?
how old was I? 26, 27?
27, 28, I think.
27, 28. I was the only child at home. My sisters
Right.
were both not in the country. So I kind
Okay.
of sat my parents down and I was like, you know what? I also want to start living by myself. Can you help me?
Right.
They did not like the idea. They
Oh.
kind of blew up and they started
Right, right.
screaming, saying, you need to go and get
No.
like a job in Kandy or somewhere if you want to go live. And then, yeah, but it
Oh.
was because I'm a girl, right? I'm an unmarried girl.
Right, yeah,
Obviously,
yeah,
in their
yeah,
head, they
yeah.
must be thinking, what kind
Yeah.
of request is this girl
Yeah,
making?
the
right?
only way to like go out of the house is to marry it, right? Someone. Yeah,
Exactly.
that's
Yeah.
yeah, for a girl.
Uh,
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, fine. Let's set table this conversation. Tried to make that conversation again. Again, it didn't work out.
Right.
So I thought, you know what? I am 27
She's
years
gonna run
old.
away.
I'm done. Take
Yeah.
matters into my own hands.
Ma, why would I? Amma.
I actually freaked her out because when I told her, because I made up my mind. The second
Right.
that I had the conversation with them, I was like, I do not understand this response from you guys. It's such a simple thing.
Okay.
And imagine like I am sitting them down and I'm asking them that. But obviously I was immature to understand that they could be okay with that kind of request on the spot at instant, I could have kind of warmed them up to it. But yeah,
Yeah.
I think at that point I wanted what I wanted and I was like,
Right.
fuck this. So I just
Yeah,
literally that night I packed and I
Mhm,
hid all the bags under my bed. I think Swati kind of got a feeling because when I came down dressed to go to work, I didn't
Right.
bring my bags down.
Right.
I came down to say bye to Tati and everything. Tati literally asked me what's in that bag.
Wow.
And I was like,
Okay.
that's weird. Why would he ask that? He
Yeah, yeah,
never
yeah.
asks me that kind of question.
Right.
Never. And then he's just like, where are you going today? Like, going to work? Do you want me to drop you? And I was like, no, Tati, I'm going a little late. So,
Mm.
you go. So I sent him and then I literally got into a taxi and just left.
Yeah. Wow.
මගේ ගෙදරට ආවා.
That's so
She was freaking out. She was like, are you sure? Like, are you sure about this? Like,
because
don't do this,
because
please.
parents can be very
Yeah,
aggressive,
I
right?
was
With something.
I was
Yeah.
dead scared that she was doing this for me. Like,
Yeah. So
because
you feel responsible
yeah,
also, right? Yeah.
I mean, I love you, babe. I totally did that for me.
yeah. No.
Yeah, I mean,
I
yeah.
definitely. I was like, I
Yeah.
was at a point, it got to a point where in my head, it's like, fuck this. I need to. Like,
Right.
I was never someone who took decisions like that. Like, I was
Mhm.
someone who always, like, podak latavevi. But I don't know why that happened to me. It was just like a lightning strike. And I was like, okay, I'm doing this. And I did it the next day.
Yeah, and we've
Yeah.
lived together ever since.
Because parents, I mean, in most cases, like they come around, right? Like, yeah, they may be like very upset and everything at that point, but they always come around. It's your kids, right? So
I
that's what
think
I think. You just need to take the decision and do it, right? I mean, it's your life, so you need to go ahead
And
and
I
do
think
it.
also
They're
with,
gonna come
with
around.
Sri Lankan parents, I don't know, with her parents and with my parents, what we understood from that experience is their worry was that we were gonna be estranged and we were gonna ruin our lives and we won't have any
Ah,
future. We won't
right,
we won't be happy. We won't be independent. We won't be financially
right.
okay. And when they
Mm-hmm.
saw that we both kind of were good for each other and we built each other up and we motivated each other to study, to do
Mm-hmm.
a good job, to earn, to have our own place, to live a life, they
Mm.
kind of naturally gravitated towards that and
Right,
they didn't see anything wrong with it
right.
after that.
Yeah. When you make sure that you're safe and you have that stable thing going on, then
Yeah.
they makes them less anxious about
Yeah. And
you
I
Yeah.
and
think
yeah.
another thing with my parents was like for my parents, they've never been very pushy about marriage partners.
Mm-hmm.
My
Mm-hmm.
parents are these weird kind of conventional Sri Lankan parents who've always been pushing us about study more, study more. What's next? Like
Right.
after I did my bachelor's, my mom and like Ami and Tati were like always pushing me. It's like ඊළඟට මොකක්ද ඊළඟට මොන හරි තව ඉගෙන ගමු නේද? Like
Hey,
it was
who can?
always about like studying.
Right.
They were never pushy about
Yeah.
marriage, partners, things
Yeah.
like that. So
Right.
I think my parents were mostly worried that from their language and the stuff that they kind of like communicated, what I realized was that they thought that she was a bad influence.
Everyone thinks I'm a bad influence,
Yeah.
to be honest.
That's because you're very outspoken and you don't, kind of, how do you say? You don't
Unconventional.
take things. No, she says it how it
Right.
is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
And
yeah.
obviously adults can't take that.
No.
No.
Yeah.
That
It took some
is-
time to get
yeah.
there though.
Yeah.
Like, mama I wasn't born like that. හැබැයි පොඩ්ඩක් කාලා
Mhm.
කාලා මට එපා වුණා. I was just like, nah, this doesn't make sense. I'm not gonna accept your shit. Like, and then මං කියනවා හැමෝටම like කෙලින්ම
Yeah.
කියනවා වුණට. And like, yeah, I don't think people like
Yeah,
it much.
Yeah. But after all of that, like, we are very close to our parents. We talk to them every day now. Like, she talks to my mom more than I do.
So that's Rue's parents, right? So what about your parents? Did you come out to your parents? How's that? Do you want to talk about them? No.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think I had to come out to my parents. I think like they kind of clocked that
Okay.
like down the line. To be honest, I think everyone had clocked that I was gay before I think I even knew I was gay. I didn't even know what gay was.
Right.
Like trust me, like I had never heard the term lesbian like until I left school. And
Yeah.
like I was so closeted that I remember there was this I remember I met like there were these like couple of gay guys that I met at like like a Sri Lankan like queer event and all දන්නවනේ
Mhm.
අපේ කට්ටිය හරිද I loved them, right? And I used to tell people that I was an ally
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Same.
And they used to give me
Oh.
this look. They're like, sure, babe. Sure, you're an ally.
Sure.
I'm like, yeah, I'm an ally, okay? Get on. I'm a cute.
Valentina.
Valentina, ally. Yeah, that didn't last
Ally.
for long. I literally like they
Where's the
literally
ally?
used to look me up and down and be like, yeah, sure, you're an ally. And then like later, I actually came out to the gays. I remember
Wow.
this. I was like, guys, I actually think I'm gay, and they're like, yeah, we know.
Usually, like lesbians and gays, they don't have a lot of like, comments. Have you watched Modern Family, the series? No,
Yes, I
right?
have actually, and
Yeah, they have this scene.
I've heard that
Yeah, they
lesbian
have.
gays don't have.
Yeah, they have a scene that like it's so funny. There's this scene that they talk about it, and it's a really funny scene. Yeah, but yeah,
Lesbian
it's funny
don't
that
have.
They don't have a good relationship, and to
Ah.
be
yeah,
honest,
they always like repel or something. I don't know. And they don't have like anything common usually, like because I
I
think
disagree. Like,
gays.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I disagree in the sense that, well, I have tons of gay friends, right? But
right.
I
Yeah,
must
that's
say,
yeah.
that the people that I was friends with at the time,
Mm,
the moment I got into like a very serious relationship,
right.
those friendships fizzled out,
Oh, come again?
if that makes sense.
Oh no,
Yeah.
like
I have tons of gay friends, but people that we have like, like met together I'm much closer to
okay,
them than I was
right.
closer to people that I was friends with when I was single.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay.
Like, I don't know why that is, but
Huh.
that kind of happened. And there's no animosity or anything like that.
It's like I mean, there's always like single women who are friends with gays, but not usually like, yeah,
Yeah.
partnered
What is
ones.
that? I honestly
I
like.
don't know. I don't
I
know.
also don't know. Like, cause I have that experience.
Yeah.
Like, I don't
Yeah,
get
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
I have found myself sitting and like thinking, why did that friendship fizzle out? Like, I don't get it. Like, what did I do? Like, what happened there? It's just it. I don't know. I really would like to like, I don't know, dig deep into that to understand
Yeah,
why,
yeah.
what goes in your head, like what happens, what
Right.
happened,
Right.
like,
Yeah.
because
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
someone who's gone through that experience as well.
Truly.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, and it wasn't even people from the same friend group, right? Like I've lost gay
Right.
friends from different friend groups.
Oh,
But
right.
then again,
Yeah,
like I
that's
can't say that
interesting.
I just don't I refuse to believe that lesbians and gays don't have a lot in common because I have so many gay friends who I
Mm.
love to death.
Mm.
Like,
Mm. Yeah, I had a couple of lesbian friends. Like we used to go out and get wasted. Also, there was this. Yeah,
exactly.
when you're connected. Yeah.
I
When you
just
get
think it
connected,
depends on the person, it depends on the people, and
probably. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
like
But
stereotypes always build. So
Yeah.
yeah.
But the question was
Oh,
your parents.
no, my parents, right?
parents.
So
Yes.
I think my parents kind of, yeah, mag track on the fine now, guys. I think my parents knew. I as expected, they weren't comfortable with it. Like
Mhm,
I did, to be honest, I didn't expect anything different. But I
mhm, mhm.
must say that I feel like a lot of the discomfort that they faced was because of like the judgment that they received from everyone outside of our relationship. Because
Yeah.
at the end of the day, if you think about it, I didn't change at all.
No.
Like I was completely
No.
myself from the get go, right? Mang nikang
Yeah.
araw overnight, like, oh my god, lesbian.
Yeah.
Kira mo ko
Mhm.
tunne, right?
Nah.
But
Yeah.
when they found out and like it was more confirmed, like, or they kind of they thought that this must be happening. Like I must tell you, very recently I saw a reel that someone had done about
Mhm.
how this mom was like questioning the daughter about her like friends and saying like I may again I got a little triggered. That was meant to
Mhm.
be like satire, and like that,
Mhm.
I don't think that creator meant anything like hurtful by
Mhm.
it,
Mhm.
but that was such a real experience for me that I was
Mhm.
just like,
Yeah.
what is happening? I did not like it. Like it was
Right.
a bit triggering. But the more I think
Mhm.
about it, the more I understand that it had everything to do with fear, like
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
like of rejection and people kind of saying
Mm.
things and like the little like side conversations that people would have, how they talk about it in like group chats and stuff like that. Like I mean, I experienced that at my level, like with my peers. So I can only imagine what my parents would have experienced, right? To have to
Yeah.
deal with like, I don't know, it might be family, it might be friends, just like, saying those like, oh, අර නිකන් අර කැත දේවල් කියන්නේ. Like, oh, දන්නවනේ මං කියන දේ. Like hint
Oh, wow.
pass කරනවා, like,
Pass.
slightly like they'll say something a little snarky. It hurts
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
you know what they're saying, you know why they're saying it also.
Oh, it still
And
happens to us.
yeah,
I mean, like,
yeah.
not to our faces. We hear from, I mean,
Yeah.
funny thing
Yeah.
is our parents tell us that.
Yeah, our
Our
parents tell us
parents tell us,
everything.
we are so close to our
Mm.
parents now. Our parents come and tell us, oh, this they said something like this. And then we are like,
Mm.
oh, wow,
It's like,
okay.
ah,
Yeah, so it's
Mm.
become like such a gossip thing now for
yeah.
us. But yeah, there's
Yeah.
still
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
people in our like outer circle who, make snarky comments to our parents about us,
Mm.
our relationship.
And
Yeah.
that was the main issue. And I feel like I genuinely feel like if it wasn't a thing, right? And it was just as normal as like, the sky is blue, we need
Mm.
water and food to live. Oh, Ursula is a lesbian. Like it,
Yeah.
that's how it should be. Like
Yeah. Should
I
be.
like
Yeah. Yeah.
like I genuinely like I keep seeing people saying, oh, why are you shoving it in our faces? I'm not shoving it in your face, bro. Like you leave. Like what is your
Yeah.
problem? Like
Remember that meme?
unfollow me. Like,
Yeah.
why are you here? Do you not understand how algorithms work? Like if you keep seeing like queer content and like LGBT things, I have some news for you. You're subscribing
These
to that shit.
people. I mean, these people who complain about it, they keep commenting on the same shit. And like, I've seen comments like, "Meme abul paynet wenna hadanne kohomada?" Literally,
කරන්න එපා යකෝ.
do the opposite. Just do the opposite. Just ignore, and the algorithm will stop showing it to you.
නෑ
Like, that's exactly what you shouldn't do.
අර ඕන පෝස්ට් එකක් උඩ අර ඩොට් කියලා ඩොට්ස් තුනක් තියෙනවා. හරිද?
Not
ඒක ක්ලික්
interested.
කරන්න not interested කියලා දාන්න. Not interested. Just do that, man, and leave me alone. Like
Oh my god.
Honestly.
I don't
that's
know.
like that's what it is.
Yeah, it's so
But yeah,
frustrating.
so
People are obsessed
Like-
with it.
your dog is so cute, Supul.
Yeah.
Julian,
She needs
obsessed.
attention.
He is obsessed with you.
Yeah. She's very attached to me. Like,
Oh,
she's,
that's so
she comes to me
cute.
for
Was she a
everything.
COVID baby?
No, before we got her before that. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Like just before or like
Got her, yeah, maybe a year before COVID.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in a year.
Yeah.
Did you guys work from home?
I've always worked from, so I basically
Yeah, that makes sense.
raised her, and that's why, yeah.
Because we have Sirius as well, and we got Sirius just before COVID hit.
Right.
So he's like a
Yeah.
proper, like clingy,
Just before COVID
attached.
hit?
Yeah.
No, we got him during like as
As
COVID was-
COVID hit,
Yeah.
actually. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
So he was in the house with us the
Yeah.
whole
So he has
time.
bad separation anxiety. Like,
Bad.
he's now he has now he's now spoiled to the core.
Okay.
He's been taken care of by my parents. And,
දන්නේ මෙයාගේ
too
තාත්තා
spoiled, too loved. It's
Right.
too spoiled to the point now it's like getting sick because my dad has been feeding him like very like
Oh,
everything
you're
possible.
supposed to.
ඔයා දන්නේ
Yeah,
නේ
yeah,
මෙයාගේ
so-
තාත්තා like අපිව බලන්න එනකොට like when we were living like in Sri Lanka together and Sirius was there, her dad would like randomly come to see us with like happy cow cheese and I'd get really excited and all of that,
Happy
right?
cow
But it
cheese.
wasn't for me.
Right.
It was for the dog.
Oh my god.
It's for the dog.
It was
Yes.
for the dog. එයාට roast chicken ද මේවද ඔක්කොම කියනවා.
Nothing for the bad influence. This
Yeah,
is for the dog.
nothing for that. Just dog.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's good.
It was so
Cute,
sweet to see
Anne.
my parents turn into grandparents with our
Yeah.
dog.
Genuinely.
Yeah.
This one's just
Cool.
like
I know, look
cute.
at
Yeah,
her.
I know.
Cutie.
So she keeps licking, and after some time, like when you wash your hands, it's so slimy. You need to like keep
Oh.
scrubbing it. It's so slimy.
Oh
And, like
no.
She's
layers
only
of
the side part.
saliva on it. Yeah.
Oh
She
yeah,
holds the, yeah, she holds it.
exclamation point there. That's
Yeah.
the
It's
Like a
cutie.
side part.
side.
Uh-huh. That one, okay, in the
Oh,
world, just
yeah.
like getting all the
Yeah.
love.
Yeah, it's like, it's
Yeah.
okay that you have a podcast. Like, I don't care.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
that's
love you.
I'm gonna be in it.
Yes, star of the show.
Yeah.
half the show. Honestly,
Cute, Tanya. So
cute.
I wanted to tell you, right, like about
Mhm.
this experience that we had, and something that I think what kind of freaked me out about being online is that
Mhm.
when Ru and I first got together,
Oh,
we really wanted to like create content, right?
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
So one of Ru's biggest dreams was to donate blood. Okay.
Mhm.
So we went
Mhm.
to the National Blood Bank and they did all the blood
Uh-huh.
tests and අර පොඩ්ඩක්
Uh-huh.
මෙහෙම කරලා they drop some in that blue liquid to see if it floats and
Uh-huh.
whatever, all of that ඔක්කොම කරලා we went through, donated blood, took a couple of pictures and thought, this is such a nice thing. Let's tell other
Mhm.
people also to donate blood, right? And we'll tell them how to do it, where to go, all of that. And then,
experience, what
yeah.
happened.
So then we put this post saying that, like, you should go and donate blood. They're always accepting and they want people to kind of do this sort of thing. It's really not that bad. It's really like, it's very nice. They're kind and you get
Mhm.
like a kitty packet and like a, malupang or something.
Yeah.
Like, but, lady got දීලා පොඩ්ඩක් කාලා බීලා යන්න. Like, එහෙම post
Uh.
එකක් දැම්මා.
Uh.
මාර වැඩේනේ උනේ සුපුන්.
Huh?
People took those pictures, put our faces everywhere, like සිංහල මිනිස්සු වඳ කරන්න යනවා කියලා post ගහලා, like that we are trying to spread HIV,
Yeah, that's
like
the thing.
to everyone in the like community.
We got mad cyberbullied.
We got mad cyberbullied, right?
Yeah.
Right, like they put our pictures everywhere, like in
Yeah.
like all the languages. Hari then saying that we are trying to spread like HIV
Right.
everywhere and all
They
of that.
literally made a post and started sharing it on like
Expat groups. But I
Wow.
must say that we had the most solid set of friends at the
Mhm.
time. Like the moment, like it came and went. Like as soon as it came, it disappeared because everyone just
Mhm.
started like
Because you probably
reaching.
haven't heard about this, have
Yeah,
you?
you haven't. I don't
Have
think
you come
anyone
across-
did.
No, yeah.
The-
Yeah, it was okay.
Yeah, the people
yeah,
who were
yeah.
behind those pages were really, really friendly and accepting and was very supportive that they
Uh-huh.
didn't hesitate.
They took it down.
We didn't have to, like some of the pages, we didn't have to request, like they had taken
We
it off.
didn't request anything, mind you. We did nothing. All of our
Right.
friends, like literally, like as soon as they saw it, they reached out to whoever they knew and they got it removed, right?
Right.
And
That's good.
whoever reached out to us, it was more out of concern, like, for how we were
Mhm.
feeling at the time than
Right.
agreeing with them, these people.
Mhm.
So it was
Yeah.
kind of scary, but also kind of wholesome at the end of the day. And
Mhm.
what we did as a response was we got together with this paper that I was working at the time, and we created a HIV awareness video
Mhm.
to talk to people about like myth busting and stuff like that, and that
Yeah,
was
yeah.
that's what we did.
Yeah, it's smart.
Yeah, and like it.
Why do you think about this?
I
all of
don't
a
know.
sudden?
Like I was thinking about like interacting online and how I think that
Oh, right.
moment kind of freaked me out a bit.
Yeah. She was more freaked out for me because
Yeah,
this was only a couple of months after I run away from home.
I was scared, man. Because for me, I'm
Mm.
okay. I'll deal with it. Because what's the worst you can say? What's the worst you can do? You can say something, right? And
Yeah.
let's be honest, that's all you can do. Say something, and
Yeah.
nothing's gonna happen to me, right?
Yeah.
But I don't think that like I was really worried about her
Yeah.
and like what people would say, and they'd be like, "See, we told you this is what happens when you associate people like this." එහෙමනේ කියන්නේ.
Yeah. ඒක අන්න ඒක තර මටත් ඕක තමයි තියෙන ප්‍රශ්නය මේ සමහර මං දානේම ටිකක් controversial ඒවා දානකොට මට බය නිකන් අර when it hits that level it hasn't so far, but when it goes beyond that level you have no control, like it just spreads, like people keep sharing it, and then you're in memes and all these shitty posts all of a sudden. That's what happened to Dimpasan and all that, right? Dimpasan became the gay, I don't know, the face of gay, I don't know, face of
Yeah.
Sri Lanka, okay? අර මේ face of Sri Lanka නේ අර කවුද මෙයා මේ face of gays වගේ නිකන් මේ
Yeah.
දෙම්පසන් උනේ දාන්නේ ගේ
Poster
කියලා
boy.
දාන්න සමහරලාට. ඔව්.
No, at the
යන්න ඒ වගේ.
and I think like as hard like this is easier said and done, but
Mm.
like I mean think about it, right? If we go back about 10 years, I would never have expected to see like pages and them Pasand. I would never have expected to see people like Tilina. I wouldn't have even dreamt of like a podcast like this being aired,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
And like every time someone's just like, oh, like like screw this person, they're horrible, I just keep telling them you're 10 years away from focusing on something else, man. Like let it go. Like 10 years, like
Yeah.
10 years ago, like we were controversial.
Yeah.
10 years
Yeah.
before that, like you can only
Gays were
imagine
the-
what was controversial, right? Like
Yeah.
it's
Yeah,
so
now they no longer care about like cis gay people, cis lesbians or cis gay people.
yeah.
Now it's trans, and now its topic is trans, and that will become okay
Yeah,
also.
that will become
It'll
obsolete.
be something else.
Yes,
in
the
10.
people
Yeah.
will find
There'll
something
be a brand new
great
issue.
because that's
Yeah.
what they do.
So yeah, it was really just going to the conclusion mode. So yeah, it was really nice talking to you guys. So one thing that I actually couldn't mention, that when I actually talked to both of you guys earlier the other day also, like what I felt like you have so much like compatibility. Like when I was talking to you over the phone, like I was on speaker, and then you were both speaking, but then again you were not talking over each other. Like there's this conversation like flowing from one person to the other, like so flawlessly. Like the continuation is so
Aw,
flawless. I
thank
was
you, Sukha.
telling Shrial also, like they have so much compatibility. Like they switch from the person A to person B flawlessly. Like that, I like yeah. Like I instantly felt okay. There's so much compatibility between the two, and I think it's probably, I was like, this must be a very lesbian thing also, because I hear that lesbian couples are very like attached and things like that. But
Yeah,
yeah,
very,
that's what I felt.
very attached to
Were
each
you
other.
all
Very-
lesbians?
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So I mean, I'm
Always been.
stereotyping, but I think that's what I felt. That's a really
Aw, thank
nice
you.
thing and
We
a sweet
thank
thing
you.
that I
It's a
felt.
compliment.
Is of
Yeah,
course it's a
so
compliment, and I kind of believe that too, and I kind of have understood that that's the case because
Mhm.
we ended up complimenting each other and supporting and motivating each other in our own things.
To be fair, before I
Yeah,
met her, I
yeah.
had very much given up on life. Like I had completely given up on love, completely given up on
Mhm.
life, and I thought that if I just continue to do the job that I was doing, and like
Right.
I'll just stay with my parents, and that's enough, right? But
That's where I was too. Yeah.
but the moment I met her, like I was just like, nah, I have to do everything I
Yeah.
can to provide everything I can for this person. Like, and yeah.
You suddenly have a family, and now
Yeah, and I
it's
was
your thing, right?
motivated,
It's not
and I started like doing things
Yeah.
like I
Yeah.
started like focusing on my career, and I
Mm.
don't know if
So
I
this
mean,
is
that
what
was the
this is
motivating.
what this is what we want, right? This is what the queer people wants, that motivation, like the motivation to live our lives and thrive, right? That's what we don't have. That's what's
Yeah.
taken from us, right?
truly, because if and like
Yeah.
I think the fact that we live together on our own and that we like we were detached from having to kind of hide and stuff like that,
Mm.
it helped because I was less focused on the fact that like outside of this life is a bit like our people
Mhm.
around us are a bit crap. Like
Mhm.
I didn't have time to focus on that because we were together, we used to do things together, we only hung out with people who loved us unconditionally. Like it didn't, all of our friends, like genuinely, like
Because for us, honestly, we never had a fight with the society. Our fight was
Mhm.
always with getting our family and parents, kind of like understand us.
Yeah, because the
Mhm.
society that we had around us was very, very like we are privileged in that way. It was very loving, very accepting.
Mhm.
To be like to be
That was one of the
honest,
reasons why we wanted to be visible and
yeah,
kind of loud and
Mhm.
proud
Mhm.
and
because
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
that privilege that we had.
yeah,
Mhm.
like when I first came out to my friends in school, they were like, "Yeah, Slavino." Like that, it was
Mhm.
literally that easy. Like I was so
Mhm.
scared to tell them, but I didn't have to be. Like,
Mhm.
in my head it was
Yeah.
really, and that is a privilege because not everyone has that experience, but fortunately
Yeah.
I had really, really good friends. And
Yeah.
even
So
her
nice.
friends were really great. Like they would invite us for weddings together, and like we didn't even have to ask. Like it was a thing. It was
Yeah.
just a thing. It
Yeah.
was normal. It was like the
Yeah.
sky is blue
Yeah.
and Ursula's gay.
Yeah.
Like no one cares,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
which I think was beautiful. And
Yeah.
one more thing before we just to end this, like a lot of people, like even recently someone was like, oh, you're an influencer. And I keep telling people, like, I really don't think I'm an influencer. I just think that we're gay. And because it's such a like, you know kind of rare thing to see a out gay couple, like a lesbian couple, automatically people think that's like a cool thing, but I desperately want it not to be. I don't want it to be a
Mhm.
cool thing. I want it to be the most normal
Yeah.
thing on this earth.
Yeah.
That I want to be completely insignificant because, like, like I don't want that. Like,
Yeah.
it's not revolutionary. Like, it's the
Yeah.
same
Yeah.
thing. You know,
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
we're just two people
Yeah.
in love,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
anybody else.
Yeah.
You know, and I, yeah,
Yeah.
Oh,
That's nice.
hopefully that world
yeah.
becomes
Hopefully that
reality
happens.
before we die.
Truly.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for coming, and yeah, let's keep doing it.
Yes,
It
we're
was a
happy.
really
We
nice
would love to.
time. Yeah,
We
let's
love
do
it.
it. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for having
Thank
us.
you
Bye.
for having us, and see you again.
Yeah. See you. Bye. There's a music going, so we can do this little dance at the end.